Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. One person, he he probably lived in the same area or same masjid or very close to Hakim Sahib Rahmatullah alayhi. So he was saying that he was getting late for Fajr, he was missing Fajr Jama'at. Because after Isha, there would be a majlis of Hakim Sahib Rahmatullah alayhi. So he says that because of your command and your instructions to make sure I get Fajr with Jama'ah, I go home straight away after Isha. I don't participate in the majlis and I go home. So he says here, as if I feel as if I am not benefiting. Yes, because here, yes, मैं आता हूँ 10:30 लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा है. So when the majlis goes away, it finishes, and then I go. But now I'm being deprived of this and I don't get benefit. So Hakim Rahmatullah alayhi says that one is lessening of benefit and one is no benefit. So he's saying here, it's not that you have no benefit. It's a lessening. It appears to be a benefit is being less because you're not sitting in the majlis. However, he says that in business sometimes you lessen your profits, immediate profits. Why? To save from bigger loss. So let's say, for example, you have these Ponzi schemes and you have all of these kind of things. So it looks like quick money, but really then it crashes, the market drops, something happens. So you're making less profit. You have like a sound income, solid income. It's not as fast, but it doesn't collapse. So he's saying here that one is to save yourself from a bigger loss, which is missing Fajr Jama'at. It's better for you not to attend the majlis and you just go home straight after Isha and go to sleep and get Fajr Jama'at. This is better, he says here, because if not, then all the benefit you will get from the late majlis is no point. Staying into the majlis, no point. So go home straight after Isha, go to sleep and get to Jama'ah. That'll benefit you more than anything else. It's very important. You have to keep things in order. What's most important? The fara'is, the sunan, and everything else is secondary. So even, for example, staying late at night to do mutala, staying late at night to read, if that does not harm your Fajr Salah, then it's beneficial. Because it's all nawafil. If you do nawafil, you pray tahajjud and then you pray tahajjud, and then you perform Turkas Fajr at home without going Jamaat, then it might as well, doesn't make sense. What's more important? Fajr with Jamaat. So similarly, you have to have the priority. If the priority is right, then it's fine. So if you stay up late and go to the majlis, go to the bayan, listen to the lecture, and pray tahajjud, and read books, and mutala, and then come Fajr Jamaat, nur ala nur. But if you've sacrificed one, what can't be sacrificed? The faraz can't be sacrificed. And the Jamaat with Fajr Salah with Jamaat should not be sacrificed. That's what he's explaining to him here. سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد ان لا اله الا انت نستغفرك ونتوب اليك